Welcome to ErsMusic Art Studio. As you can see on the last video, we added those markers, and today I'm going to show you the importance of using them. Okay, also today I'm going to show you how I changed the position of the hand. In previous video, I draw the hand facing this way. Let me show you. Why did I change it? In my opinion, I believe that this is too crowded, and I want to give these two characters space to have a dialogue. So what I did was I changed it to this position right here, because now they have more space to talk to each other. You see how the hand is facing this way, and that's exactly what we want. And that's what I'm going to show you today, how to change the position of this hand. Let's begin. Let's add the audio. Now let's match the markers with the audio. So what I'm gonna do is, okay. Right over here. Right there. So this will go here. Hey. Okay. It's just a simple process. It's not so difficult. We're just matching the audio with the marker and put the marker where it belongs with when he started saying hey. So there you go. Hey. Stop. This is stop. It's where it says stop. And then that's my food right here. Okay. Okay. So we're gonna start right here.
Hey, stop! That's my food! Hey, stop! That's my food!
As you've noticed, we have matched the markers with the sound. And that is very important. Now we know where each phrase belongs. Now, what we're going to do next is we'll show you how I change the position of the hand.